Welcome to kidglo English channel.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Who's that cartoon character? A fun guessing game for kids. Hey kids, are you ready to play Who's That Cartoon Character? Look carefully, think fast, and guess before time runs out. Let's go!
I live in the sea and love jellyfish. Who am I?
It's SpongeBob. He lives in Bikini Bottom. I wear red shorts and white gloves. Who am I? Mickey Mouse.
I'm a princess who loves adventures. Who am I? Princess Peach. She appears in many Mario games.
I jump and save my friends. Who am I? Mario. Great job! Mario is a hero who travels fun worlds and beats villains. I'm the fastest hedgehog ever. Who am I? Sonic the Hedgehog. He runs faster than lightning. I live in a swamp. Who am I? It's Shrek. Big ears, green face. What's up, Doc? Who am I? Bugs Bunny. Funny hop hop.
I have a magic pocket. Who am I? It's Doraemon from the future to help Nobita. Can you help me find it? Who is she? It's Dora. Adventure starts now.
I love honey. Who am I?
It's Winnie the Pooh from the 100-Acre Wood.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel.